One of the best pieces of advice I could give you if you love traveling is get a travel credit card. It could actually save you money on your next trip. So finding the best travel card could get confusing because there's so many to choose from. So I did the work for you. I found the two best in my opinion, and I'm gonna compare them. First up is the Amex Cobalt. It costs $156 a year, and according to Forbes, you can earn points on the Cobalt more easily than any other credit card in Canada. Everything from food, streaming subscriptions, and more. You get up to 30,000 points for just signing up. So listen to this. That's basically enough points to get you a free ticket to anywhere in the country. Amex lets you transfer their membership rewards to Aeroplan points, which can be used towards flights. And you can get up to $100 USD in hotel credits when booking at least 2 nights in one of their preferred hotels. Plus, the card comes with a long list of insurance coverage for emergencies, medical, flight delay, and they'll give you up to $500 if the airline loses your bag. Some cons about this card is it's a bit pricier than similar credit cards, and it doesn't give you access to airport lounges. Now let's look at the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite card. It's $139 annually, but the fee gets waived in the first year. You can earn points on all types of purchases like recurring bill payments, groceries, and restaurants. You can earn up to 100,000 TD Rewards points within the first 6 months of signing up for the card. That's a value of $800. So the First Class Travel card is great because you can use your points towards booking travel through Expedia, so towards flights and hotels. TD will actually give you a $100 travel credit on your first Expedia purchase of $500 or more. Just like the Cobalt, this credit card also gives you extensive travel insurance coverage. However, if your flight is delayed more than 6 hours or if the airline loses your bag, you get up to $1,000. Personally, I would choose the American Express Cobalt. I think there's a lot of ways to earn points and the card comes with a lot of benefits. What's your favorite travel credit card to use? Let us know in the comments.